Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for antlers, on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. Please like and subscribe to my channel.